In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the half double crochet. So you're going to yarn over to your hook, yarn over, pull through one. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through all three. And that's your half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through one, and yarn over, turn your hand. Remember to turn the hook downward and go through all three. So yarn over, pull through one, then yarn over, pull through the three. So just remember that when you're doing this, just remember to turn your hook down, because it won't work if you do it like this. You have to turn it down and then pull through and yarn over and then do this motion. Just turn your hook downwards like that. So once you've practiced and you start making your projects, or just by practicing this motion of doing this will be automatic. I mean, you won't even have to think to say, okay, yarn over, turn down, go through, yarn over, turn. You're not gonna even it's just gonna be an automatic. It's automatically gonna just come to you. But for now, since you're practicing and you're starting out, yeah, you do have to pay attention to, the movements. Because remember that you can't do this. It won't work if you do this, so you have to turn your hook. So that is the half double crochet.